Welcome to our lesson about the Fill Pattern tool. Let's go to the Features tab and activate the Fill Pattern tool. Under Features to Pattern, I'm going to select Cut Extrude 1. It's located right here on my graphic area. Now the fill boundary. I'll select this face and this sketch. If I want to create a pattern between these two circles, I'll select the second circle. I need to unselect the face, and I can do that by simply clicking on it. Under Pattern Layout, we've got a few options: perforation, circular, rectangular, and polygon. Here we specify the instance spacing. Stagger angle next. Let's make it 90 degrees. Tab to accept. Margin, let's make it 1 millimeter. The margin is the distance between the pattern and the fill boundary. It's 2 circles in this case. Now let's examine how the circular pattern works. Loop spacing will make it 6 millimeters. Number of instances, 50. Tab to accept. The center of this pattern's located right here. That's the seed feature. The next options are a square pattern and a polygon. Let's return to circular pattern. The margins, I'll set them at 0. And click OK. Let's insert one more fill pattern now. Under Features to Pattern, I'm going to select Create Seed Cut. We've got 4 options: circle, square, diamond, and polygon. Let's select square with a side of 2 millimeters. Tab to accept. Let's scroll up the Property Manager now. Let's select the fill boundary, this face, and this sketch. And I'm going to use the square pattern layout this time. Loop spacing, let's make it 6 millimeters. Number of instances, let's say 10. Actually, let's make it 15. Tab. And click OK. And as you can see, this is a really fast and efficient way to create a fill pattern. And this concludes our lesson about the Fill Pattern tool.